Now I am going to solve the problems given in exercise 10.4, in which there are 5 problems. All of them are depending on the discriminant, that is, we have to discuss the nature of the roots of the equations given or equations to be formed, wherein we have to see whether the roots exist, and if they exist, has it got 2 different roots or a repeated root, or it does not contain roots at all, real roots, in which now we are going to discuss about the problems in exercise 10.3. The first problem I am going to consider, that is problem number 1, in which there are 3 equations are given. We have to discuss the nature of roots of these equations here. 3 equations. One is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. And second one is 3x square minus 4 into root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Third one is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. I will discuss the nature of the roots of these 3 equations one by one. The solution, now we have, that is a solution for 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. That is in the standard form. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 5. And therefore b square equal to b square minus 4ac. We have to look at the nature of the roots on this quantity only, that is a minus 3 whole square, minus 4 into 2 into 5, that is 9, minus 8, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 5, 8 into 5, it is a 40, and that equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. And therefore the roots for the equation, and let me call this as a 1, equation 1 does not exist, and hence there is no question of finding them. Once they are not existing, there is no question of finding the roots. Then consider the second equation, that is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Let me call this is equation 2. Here also it is in the standard form. A equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, and c equal to 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, and that is going to be, what is that? The square of the negative quantity is a positive 16 into 3 minus 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 4, 48, 48, that is 48 minus 48, that is going to be 0. and therefore the roots of equation 2 are equal, and thus the roots are x is equal to minus b by 2a, that is a minus b what we have given, and minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into a, that is 3, that is a minus 4 by 4 root 3 divided by 6, that I can write down minus 2 root 3 divided by 3, and therefore x is equal to, what is that, minus 2 by root 3 I can write down, a repeated root, it is a repeated root, repeated twice, repeated root. Then now consider the example number 3, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Let me call this is an equation number 3. This is also of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3, and therefore b square minus 4ac equal to, b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is minus 6 whole square means 36 minus 24 and minus 24 and that equal to minus 24, that equal to 12, and which is greater than 0, and therefore the equation three has two distinct roots. And what are those distinct roots? So we can use it by formula or quadratic equation. Therefore, those two roots are given by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and that is minus b means minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square is equal to what we have obtained 12 and divided by 2 into 2, that is x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 4 into 12. Sorry, I can write down one more step, that is a 4. That is 6 plus or minus root 4 into 3 by 4. That is, I can write down 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. And I would like to write cancel 2 from the numerator and 2 from the denominator. So we will get a 3 plus or so root 3 by 2. And therefore the roots are are 3 plus root 3 by 2 or 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots of the equation 3.